Hi everyone. Before I talk about the main points, I have a very basic question. Are you an early bird or a night owl? I believe that many of you know about these two terms. So in this opportunity, I'd like to state my opinion about why an early bird gets more than a night owl. Why I said so? I had experiences about these things. I used to be a night owl when I was in the first and second year of college. Yes, I admit that I could finish many things at night. But then the problem was that I still had class in the morning. If I stay up late at night, there's a big probability that I would be sleepy in class in the morning. The effect was I couldn't study well. I couldn't get more knowledge in class, which wasn't good. So I tried to change my habit. Most of the time, I tried to go bed early at 10, and then in the following day, I woke up at 5 or 5:30. And after I had this new habit for some days, I found some differences. I will tell about them more later. But before that, why I choose this topic to be discussed? I do this because I think many people, especially college students like me, can relate to this. Perhaps they have the same opinion with me at the time, that they can do many things and finish many things at night, or that they cannot do more and be more productive in the morning. But hey, please think about it more and more again and just give it a try. Now I will discuss the differences and some important things that you should know. First, an early bird usually will go bed early at night, and then they will also get up early in the morning. And if you get up early in the morning, you will get to do many things, like having exercises, preparing some foods and drinks for your breakfast, or writing a list of what to do so that you can be more productive on that day. This is also can be applied if you're a worker or you have a company to run later. I mean, in the future. There's a famous Indonesian saying like, who's fast, she'll get it. I believe that it is true. If you get up early, you can do many things. You can prepare many things to reach your goal before others take it. Second, it is better for your health if you wake up earlier than sleep late at night. Based on the research that I did, I found that staying up late at night has a negative impact on our health and our mood. I know it's right, as I ever experienced this before. I could easily get bad mood, and that's not good for my relationship with other people. In addition, like what I've said before, it can also give impact for our concentration when we are having a learning process. Now, there's another question. How about being an early bird and a night owl at the same time? For me personally, I don't recommend this. And if I can choose, I don't want to be like that. Why? Because I will have less sleep. And of course, there is more and will also have an impact for my health. In conclusion, I'm not saying that it is bad or it is worse to be a night owl, because it depends on what condition we're having at that moment. If we have urgent things to do at night, of course we cannot run from them. So we just have to stay up until night. But if it is possible, try to sleep early and be an early bird in the following day. Believe me, you will get more and you can do more things in your precious days. Thank you.